How does Gaelic football contribute to Irish cultural festivals and events? If you're curious about how Gaelic football fits into the vibrant tapestry of Irish cultural festivals and events, you're in the right place. Let's explore this fascinating topic together. Gaelic football is more than just a sport in Ireland. It's an integral part of the country's cultural heritage. The Gaelic Athletic Association, GAA, which oversees Gaelic football, plays a significant role in promoting Irish culture and identity. Here's how Gaelic football contributes to these events. Firstly, Gaelic football is a central component of many Irish festivals. For instance, the Chicago Feis, held at Gaelic Park, is a traditional Gaelic arts and culture festival that includes Gaelic football matches. This event, much like its ancient counterparts, brings people together in a celebration of song, dance, music, theatre, and sport. During events like the annual Indoor-Outdoor Irish Fest at Gaelic Park, Gaelic football is one of the many attractions. This festival features a wide variety of entertainment, including sports, theatre, and dance, all of which are part of the admission price. The GAA teams and players are often at the heart of these festivities, showcasing their skills and passion for the sport. Gaelic football also fosters community spirit, which is a key aspect of Irish cultural events. The GAA is known for its grassroots nature, with players, coaches, and organizers often being volunteers who are driven by their love for the sport and their community. These clubs serve as hubs for social gatherings, cultural events, and lifelong friendships, making them essential to the fabric of Irish society. In addition, Gaelic football has been formally recognized as part of Ireland's intangible cultural heritage. This recognition underscores its importance in Irish culture and ensures its continued promotion and preservation. Minister for Tourism, Culture, Arts, Gaeltacht, Sport and Media, Catherine Martin TD, has highlighted the significance of Gaelic football and other Gaelic games in maintaining Ireland's living cultural heritage. The GAA's role in promoting Irish culture extends beyond the sport itself. The association actively supports the Irish language, traditional Irish dancing, music, and other aspects of Irish culture. During events, you might see traditional Irish music performances, Irish step dancing exhibitions, and even theatre productions, all of which are part of the GAA's broader mission to preserve and promote Irish identity. In summary, Gaelic football is not just a game. It's a cultural phenomenon that brings communities together, fosters national pride, and preserves Irish traditions. Whether it's through festivals, community events, or the everyday activities of GAA clubs, Gaelic football is an essential part of Ireland's rich cultural landscape.